So what's up guys, welcome to JavaScript tutorial, and in this class we will learn about the operators. Okay, so let's get started and let's try to see what are these operators. So I will click on file, I will click on a new file, then I will again click on file and I will say save, and I will be saving my file on the desktop. I will say operators.html, and I will save this file. Now I'll make use of the basic code, and I will make use of this script tag. Okay, you can use a script tag inside of the head also, as I've told you earlier. So now let me just tell you what are these operators. Okay, so previously we have seen the additional operator. So additional operator, which is used to add the variables. There is also known as the uh, subtraction operator, which is used to subtract something, and there is multiplication operator to multiply something. There's a division operator to divide something, and there is increment operator, which is used to increment something, which I will tell you afterwards. And there is also something known as the decrement operator, which is basically the two minus signs, and we will see how to make use of these operators in our class. Okay, so what I'll do is I will come over here. I will declare variable a is equal to 10, and I will declare the variable uh, b is equal to 20, and now if I'm just saying alert a plus b, if I'm just saving this, and if I'm just going to my desktop, and this is my file, let me just execute my file. So I'm getting the output as a 30. Okay, so this is an example of additional operator. Now let me just comment out this part. Okay, or let me just comment out this entire part. Now I will declare the variable c over here, and variable c got value 20, and I will declare the variable d over here, and variable d got value 15. And now if I'm just saying console, no, let me just make use of the alert only. If I'm just saying alert c minus d, and if I'm just going and refreshing my page, so I'm getting the minus 30. Okay, you can even make use of the console.log. Okay, so if you are saying the console.log c minus d, then you will be getting the output inside the console. Okay, I'm coming over here and refreshing my page. I will right click, inspect, I'll go to my console, and I'm getting that value minus 30 over here. Okay, so if you are doing console.log, you will be getting the output inside of the console, and if you are saying alert, then you'll be getting the output on your page. Okay, so now let me just comment out this part also. Okay, so now if I'm just declaring the variable num1, and I'm saying variable num is equal to 20. Okay, and now if suppose I am saying num1 plus equal to 10, and if I'm just giving out the alert of num1, then let's see what output we are getting. Okay, so as can be seen, we are getting this 20. Okay, so now let me just tell you what I have done over here. So I have set num1 is equal to 10, then I am saying num1 plus equal to 10, which is basically nothing but it is doing something like num1 equal to num1 plus 10. Okay, so over here actually what happening is currently the value of num1 is 10. Okay, so that num1 value will be coming over here, and okay, let me just cut this, and for your understanding I'm pasting it over here only. Okay, so you can imagine this num1 plus equal to 10 is you can read this sentence this way also. You can read this sentence num1 is equal to num1 plus 10. So now what this will do is, currently we have declared the num1 is equal to 10, that num1 10 value will come over here. Okay, it will come over here, and it will get 10 plus 10, which is 20, and the 20 value will be passed inside of this alert, and because of which we are getting this output as a 20. Okay, so now let me just comment out this code, and if I comment out this entire code, if I'm just copying this code and pasting this over again, I will just remove this. Okay, and if suppose I am saying num1 is equal to 10 and num1 minus equal to 10, this is nothing but let me give the num1 is equal to 20 over here. Okay, so this is nothing but subtraction. What this will do is this will do num1 minus 10. Okay, so you can read this something like it will do num1 is equal to 20 minus 10. Okay, so you can read this something like this, and after that 20 minus 10 is 10, and after that we will be getting the output as a 10 over here. Okay, if I'm just going and refreshing, so we are getting this 10. And there is also something known as multiplication. You can do multiplication as well. Okay, so you can read this something like this, and now let me just comment out this code. Okay, so now I'm declaring the variable num3 over here, and I'm saying num3 is equal to 2. Okay, and now what I'll do is I will say num3 multiply equal to num3, and if I'm just saying alert num3, then this should be giving me the multiplication. Okay, if I'm just saving this and refreshing my page, I'm getting 4, which is basically the multiplication of 2 into 2. Currently value of num3 is 2. You can read this sentence something like num3 num3 is equal to num3 multiplied by 2, and over here value of num3 is 2, which is basically 2 multiplied by 2, and this value of 2 multiplied by 2 will be getting assigned to this value num3, and because of which we are getting the output as a 4. Okay, so basically this is how this multiplication goes on. You can apply the same concept for division also. If you want to apply the division, then you just have to say something like num3 division equal to num3. Okay, so if you want to apply the division on number, you'll be saying that num3 is equal to num3 division num3, which is basically equal to num3 is equal to num3 divided by num3. Okay, so you can read this something like this. Okay, so thanks guys for watching. This was all about the operators and how you can make use of this combination of the operators and all. Okay, so thanks guys for watching.